Holden, and I'm joined by Karen Holden here at Foxhall in the kitchen. I've had the opportunity to share several of my secret recipes with you, but today Karen's going to share one of her family secret recipes, which I'm really looking forward to learning about.
Oh, I'm so excited. This is my mother's classic clam dip. Been in our family for many years, pretty much served at every single holiday or family celebration. And it really just brings me back to home, and I'm so excited to share this recipe with all of you today.
And I'm excited to try it with all these ingredients. You said about 12 ingredients?
About 12, yes.
It's worth the trip to the grocery store though, right?
Definitely.
So what do we have? What do we start with?
Yeah, we start out with about 2 stalks of celery, a small green pepper, half a Vidalia onion, 3 cans of minced clams, a little bit of lemon, oregano, parsley, garlic, a little bit of Tabasco sauce, and after sauteing, we use about a cup of breadcrumbs, and then at the end, you'll just use the fresh mozzarella shredded on top, and then you'll bake it.
And serve it with crackers. I can't wait. Let's get started. So what are you putting in the melted butter?
So we've melted the butter, and now we're just gonna start with the celery, and then the green pepper, the onion.
You did a good job of mincing.
Why, thank you. And then
I'll get you a spoon.
this is the Tabasco. Not too much, because not everybody loves everything spicy. A couple pinches of oregano. We'll just...
And now you saute it over medium heat?
Yeah, over medium heat, you want it to just soften up a little bit, but not too much.
So you don't want these translucent. You want them to have a little bit of a crunch?
A little bit of a crunch to it, because you are going to bake it, and then that's really when it's going to soften everything up.
I see. Ooh.
Okay, well, let's go cook this on the stovetop.
So you finished sauteing.
Yes, and it just smells so good.
It does. It smells divine. And now?
Now we'll add the clams and the juice.
So I put the whole can in.
Yes.
You don't have to cook the clams because it's baking.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful.
Whoop. Good.
And now what we'll do is we'll add breadcrumbs.
Uh-huh. About a cup you have
Almost
there.
a cup, yeah.
You added the breadcrumbs. It's absorbing it. Now we just put it in the pan.
Right
I
on
love
the
how
pan.
you just are using a regular pie plate.
Absolutely. Well, you have this gorgeous silver tray that it will go in once it's finished for serving. Here we are, last but not least.
All right.
There we go.
Lovely. In there. Well, actually, you're going to bake it first, yes?
Here we are.
Excellent.
There you are.
And into the oven?
And into the oven.
Can't wait.
In about 20 minutes, we're gonna have the most delicious classic clam dip that I'm so excited for all of you to try at home.
So you put it in this dish and let it rest for a few minutes? Just
a few moments. You definitely want it served hot, but not scorching hot. And then we'll serve it with these delicious crackers.
Pepperidge Farm? Oh, the butterfly butters.
The best.
So this is a lovely recipe. Thank you for sharing with us, Karen. I hope you'll join us again and subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up, but also let us know if you've made the recipe and if you enjoyed it as much as I think I'm going to.